How to use Progressive Auto Insurance also properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Progressive is known for flexible auto insurance options, but many drivers make costly mistakes that reduce coverage or increase expenses. A surprising truth is that even with a policy, many drivers are not fully protected. A frequent mistake is choosing minimum liability coverage. While it meets state law, it may not cover medical bills or property damage in a serious accident. Adding collision and comprehensive coverage is essential if your car has value or you want peace of mind. Another mistake is not understanding deductibles. A lower deductible means higher premiums, while a higher deductible saves money but increases your out-of-pocket cost if a claim occurs. Match your deductible to your budget and financial comfort. Failing to update your policy is also common. Life events like moving, adding a teen driver, or buying a new car can affect rates and coverage. Not updating Progressive with these changes may result in denied claims or gaps in protection. Many drivers also miss available discounts. Progressive offers savings for bundling policies, safe driving, accident-free records, and even paying in full. Overlooking these can cost you significantly over time. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can cause delays or lower payouts. Always report accidents promptly, document damages thoroughly, and maintain clear communication with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, Progressive Auto Insurance can protect you fully. Choose adequate coverage, set a reasonable deductible, update your policy, use discounts, and understand the claims process. Doing so ensures your insurance works for you when you need it most.